everyone, my name is Nada Salsabila, and today I would like to present my project. The main idea of this project is to create a simple cooking clicker game combined with data analytics. In this presentation, I will explain the gameplay, the features, and also the dashboard that show the data analysis. This is the landing page of the project. We can log in using an example email. Okay, after login, we enter the gameplay section. Each day, there are have 5 customer with different requests. For example, today is spicy Sam, and flavor preference is spicy and salty, and allergies dairy. This is a pantry. Uh, the players select the ingredients based on what the customer wants. Then we click chili and chili for spicy and salty for beef. And I will click cook. Okay, in the cooking time, the player select step instructed. This is to chop the ingredients, stir the protein, stir, season, and plate your dish. Okay. Nah, after finishing cookie step, a pop-up tadi showing the ratings and the points we got. Okay, this is a feedback for serving. This is show the customer reaction, random comment, stars, and the point we got. It's 50 points. It's meaning 5 stars. And then we click next customer for two per 5. And if we serving all the customer in day, it's going to next day, not next customer. And oh yeah, we have shop if some ingredients don't fit and don't use. It's a lot more ingredients. We can buy it. Oh yeah, this is number for a stock, yeah. Okay. Next to the dashboard, this is ratings for daily average ratings. This is because we serve 5 customers per day. The system calculate the average rating from their feedback. Yeah, okay, ini for day one is for day two is 4, and for day 4 is 5. And because I will continue this game, yeah. And then dashboard trends. It is showing top 5 ingredient trends. Okay, this give us insight which ingredients we keep using again and again. It's beef or chili, and strawberry. And next is flavor. Flavor is flavor distribution to show customer favorite taste. It gives us insight which flavors are the most preferred by customers. Is salty is 4, spicy is 3, sweet 1, and sour 1. And the last is waste analysis. Waste analysis is show the ingredients we buy a lot don't really use. It helps us where we are wasting points and how to spend more apa ya, efisiensi gitu. This is a carrot. We have a carrot. Waste-nya 100% level high. Berarti artinya dia belum pernah dipakai sama sekali. Jadi sebaiknya don't buy carrot uh, for right now gitu. Okay, this and then the last is button logout for the logout and go to landing page. Okay, that's all for my presentation project. Thank you very much for your attention and time. Bye bye.